RIDGID raises the bar with absolute power, speed, and innovation in the next generation of best-in-class 18-volt tools. RIDGID GEN5X Permanent Magnet Motors deliver immense power to torque or cut through whatever stands in your way. The hammer drill dominates with over 780 inch-pounds of merciless torque. Or get over a massive 2,000 inch-pounds of torque from the new 3-speed impact driver. GEN5X Permanent Magnet Motors pack enough power to turn a full-size blade and rip plywood a new one with a 7 1/4 inch circ, giving you corded performance in a cordless tool. While the orbital action recip saw comes ready to tear the house down with a fierce 3,000 strokes per minute and a 1 1/8 inch stroke. Get all of these industry-leading tools as a kit with 2 full-size 4 amp-hour hyper lithium-ion batteries for all-day runtime, a full diagnostic charger, and a lifetime LED flashlight. Keep them all in a heavy-duty contractor bag and keep them for life when you register for the lifetime service agreement. Free batteries, free parts, free service for life. RIDGID. Powerful, durable, professional.